In this video we complete step 28, normalize value counts. So we're going to remain in the value counts method for this step, and you can see that there's a single parameter that we are going to allow our users to pass to the value counts method, and that is normalize. It is defaulted to false. So what we implemented in the last step is the default choice, which is to simply return the raw counts. Now, instead of returning the raw counts, in this step we will return what's called the relative frequency, or just the percentage of the values that are in that column. So not the raw counts, but the relative frequency. So if you sum up all of the relative frequencies, it will add up to 1. Okay, so we only need to change one small thing in this for this particular step. So, and that is counts. So we don't have to change the order. The order is not going to change, but the actual values of counts will change. So if the user has given us normalize, what we will do is we will reassign counts. We'll simply divide all of the counts by the total. So that should do it. And in fact, you could probably you should be able to just do length of df, so that will do it as well. So if we just take the length of the data frame itself, that would do it, since all the counts should sum up to the length. Either one will work. So let's go ahead and run this test. Test value counts normalize. So test value counts normalize. And not length of df, but length of self. Okay. So df would not be correct anyways, even if it was defined. We're looking for the length of the original data frame. So it looks like all right, good. So that passed. Let's take a quick look at how this functions in the Jupyter Notebook. So here we have our data, df. So if we run value counts on it, we will get back a list of data frames. And if we want to look at, say, the first one, we can do that. So that's for the name column. We have 2 Nikos and 1 Eleni. So that's how that operates. If we want to look at, let's say, weight, for instance, we could look at the very last one in our list. So there's only one value of weight. Now, that's with normalize equals false, but if we say normalize equals true, this should return us the relative frequency. So here we have 2/3 are Nico and 1/3 is Eleni. And for weight, well, this is simply just 100% of a weight of 40. Okay, so we already passed the test, and so that completes step 28.